Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can add link to your TikTok bio. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now of course you want to make sure that your TikTok is up to date in order to make sure that this feature is enabled on your TikTok application. Right after, you can just go ahead and open up TikTok right here. And once inside, of course you want to proceed through your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Now once inside your profile, you can then go ahead and see the options that we have right here, which is the edit profile, share profile, and the plus friend icon. You want to click on the edit profile button right here, scroll down, and inside we can then go ahead and add our links through our bio. So if you have your Instagram link, you can paste it here, YouTube, Twitter, and more. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.